everybody, welcome to my channel. I went to CVS and I did some deals. So one thing is I ended up kind of paying attention more on doing two separate transactions, but I didn't get as much stuff as I got last week to go all crazy, but I'm still here to share with you guys what I got. So the first deal I got was these Beauty 360 cotton balls. These were 2 for $5, so I got 4 of them for $10. I had a 2 off of, no, not that one. I had a, where did I write that down? A $2 off Beauty 360 cotton balls or whatever. So use that CRT, paid $8 for these, but then you get a $3 extra care buck when you spend 10. So I got all 4 of these for $5 or just $1.25 each. So if you guys need some Halloween costumes ideas, there you go at the last minute. So yeah, so I got that. The next deal I got was the Kohl's. Got Kohl's, you guys. I got the Kotex liners. Now these were $1.89. Buy one get one 50% off. You'd pay $2.83. But you get a $2 extra care buck back, making these 83 cents or 41 cents each, which is a pretty decent deal if you guys need some feminine products. I ended up getting the Paparazzi nail polish. I got a clearest one that was Carnival Fun. And then I got my new flame, and I also got Watermelon Pop. And I thought the Watermelon Pop would be pretty for Miss Charlotte. So these were 2 for $5, but the one was on clearance for $1.49. I had a 2 off of 3 Paparazzi CRT, so I used that, paid $4.49, but then you get $4 back in an extra care buck, making them 49 cents or just 16 cents each. So I go ahead and get that. My store actually had the glow in the dark nail polish, and I was so excited for it, but I'm like, I don't need it. But yeah. So I ended up doing the Summer's Eve. I haven't gotten a Summer's Eve product like forever. My friend uses these. But anyways, these were $3.99. They were buy one, get one 50% off. I had a $1.50 off a 2 insert coupon, I think from the 926 Smart Source. You would pay $4.48 for this, but then you get a $3 extra care buck back, making it $1.48 or just 74 cents. I used to get CRTs for all this stuff, and then the one time I actually buy stuff, I don't get the CRT for it, but that is okay. I got the Colgate toothpaste. These were 2 for $7.98. You want to use that 2 for 98-cent coupon, so you guys will get these both for free right off the bat. I know they've done this deal a couple times, but I mentioned one time, one of you guys mentioned that your store wouldn't allow it, and like, it shows it right in the ad. If you guys ever have problems with your store not honoring stuff, show them in the ad. Yeah. So I wanted to get the $1 Oreos, but my store was sold out. I wanted to get 2 of the double stuff, but my store only had 1 of each. So I did it this way because my family loves Oreos. So these were 2 for $8. I had 2 $1 off Oreo CRTs. Use that. Paid $6, but then you get $2 back in an extra care buck. So making these $4 or just $2 a piece. For a family size for $2, I think that's a pretty good deal. So actually, I'm not going to put that for got that for my family. Yes. Okay, so I got the Tresemme, and I think they went up in price because I swear these were $4.99 not that long ago, or $5.99. They went up to the price to be, where did I write this down at? They went up to be $6.29. They used to be, I swear, $4.99 or something like that, but now they're $6.29. They're buy one get one 50% off, so I bought 4 of them, and I used 2 5 off of 2 coupons that we got from our inserts from last weekend. Paid $8.87, but then you get a $5 extra care buck back, making it $3.87 or 96 cents each. So yeah, I think, I don't know if the prices are going up because they can't keep things in stock or what, but I mean, like $7 for a bottle of shampoo, like who does that? Who will pay $7 you know, there's actually people that do that. We don't, but there's other people that will pay that price. My store is just having these on sale every single week. So these were $9.99. You'd pay $9.99 for it. But then there is a $9 extra care buck back. So you guys will just get this for 99 cents. 99 cents. Okay, I got one more deal to share with you guys. Okay, I ended up getting the CoverGirl mascara. Now my store does like the 2% rule or 1% rule, whatever. So these were $9.99. I used two $3 off coupons that we got from our inserts today. I had a $3 off CoverGirl CRT, and then I also had a 6 off a 20 CoverGirl CRT. Paid that, or got those, paid $4.98, but then you get $7 back when you spend $15. So it comes out to be a $2.02 moneymaker. So I made a profit off of those. So I was pretty excited. So that was my haul, you guys. I was gonna do the Irish Spring, but I didn't want to pay the price that they wanted for it. And then I was checking to see if there's any Cetaphil deals, because I have there's some Ibotta deals for it, but I didn't see anything was on sale. So my total came to $2.63. I ended up using $37 worth of extra care bucks, but I did receive $35 back. So my grand total for everything was $4.63. I got 22 items at just 21 cents each. And that's what I love. I love it when I can get it, especially, well, the cheaper you can get it, the better. But I like it when you can get it cheaper and cheaper. But my goal is to always get it cheaper than 10 bucks. That's what my goal is. 5 is even better. So, yeah. So, I mean, for $4.63, I think that's a pretty decent deal, considering the Tresemme cost $6. It's crazy. The micro is $9. So, I mean, all that stuff, it adds up. But I just want to give you guys a heads up. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys next week. Hopefully the ads just a little bit better. I know I think we're supposed to get the P&G inserts next week. Usually it's at the end of the month or something like that. But I will give you guys another haul next week. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.